already explained all the moves, which, by the way, what we're doing is guard replacement using basic frames. So I'm right here, I get my frames, I use my frames to push and replace. So, you guys know the steps already, but look what I'm going to do with my hips. So what happened is, I'm already here, guys. So before I even start fighting in the whole deal, I want to start getting frames and fighting to get in one shoulder. I don't want to be fully here on my back. Everyone's with me so far?
Yes, sir.
So look, when I push, I bridge with everything I got. Look where my hips are going. To the side. So I'm not flat, trying to bring my knee in. That's gonna be impossible. I wanna, and when I'm ready to bring that knee in, get on one shoulder or get on one hip. Yeah. So one last time, just add me that up. I'm here, I'm fighting for these frames. But when I'm ready to put that knee shield, I'm gonna, and look, I'm on my hip right here. Boom. Hold it. Now, he doesn't let go. This is a strong man. You see that leg that I have in between me and him? Use it. Learn how to fight with your legs. Oh, I break that. And also have space to replace. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
On three, guys. 1, 2, 3.